Today I'm here to share my experience in regards to these two of my favorite products that I have been using for the past 2 years, and thanks to the two brothers for bringing this into my life. And I can't think of a day without these ingredients. Also, to quickly get into it, the first product that I want to talk about is the date palm jaggery, which is also known as the Nolen Gur. It's made from the sap of the local date palms which are grown in the farm, and they are processed in a very traditional method, due to which there is no artificial flavoring, no additives, no chemicals in it, no preservatives. Also, it is packed with nutrients, and it is rich in vitamin B, and it's high on antioxidants. Also, it has a lot of medicinal value in it. This I use it for two things. One is for my baby and one is for myself. And in terms of my baby is 13 months old. I had introduced this to him when he had first started his grain intake, which was when he was in 7 months old. So I would use this as a sweetener, and he has accepted it very well and he loves the taste. Also, why not give it to my baby when it is packed with so much of beneficial nutrients in it. This can be put into your tea and coffee. So this other product that I wanted to talk about is this natural jaggery, which is made out of sugarcane, which is organically grown in their farm. And also the method they use for processing this whole jaggery is the traditional method. Also, the point that caught my attention was that they use lady's finger, also called as okra, as the cleaning agent. So the same thing for sugar, they use chemicals to do the same process. So since it's done with totally traditional method, it is no chemicals, no sulfur, no artificial additives, and it's rich in iron and calcium, which is very good for your bones, and also it aids the digestive system and helps with constipation. I would suggest you to introduce this to your kids instead of sugar, because it has a lot of health benefits. It's good for their bones, and since they're developing organs, it helps with that as well. It's a much healthier alternate for sugar. Also, you can use this for your traditional sweets, for baking, for your kids' porridges. To know more about their products, you can go to their official website, the Two Brothers, and also they have an Insta handle by the name as the Two Brothers itself, and you will get n number of testimonials as well. So there are people sharing about sharing their experience in regards to their other products as well, which are amazing options.